Hello YouTube! This is Gene again with Geeky Asian Dad. Today we're back again with hummus! But always slightly different and always slightly non-traditional because not everybody likes tahini or not everybody has tahini. So our tahini substitute today is candied pecans or pecans. See the link in the description below on how I made these candied pecans. The other slightly difference is the jalapeno peppers because we all like a little bit of the spiciness with the sweetness, with the garlic, with the lemon, and of course the chickpeas. So let's get started. As always, we open our can of chickpeas. We are going to strain out the chickpeas. Adding it in. I'm putting a big cup of candied pecans because once you grind them up, they become very, very small. Garlic, of course. What tahini is about garlic? I love things spicy, but my daughter doesn't, and we eat these together. So I'm only going to add half of a jalapeno pepper. Then what I'm going to do is put the lemon right inside, and I'm straining it as I go through, so I don't have to work through. So the lemon goes right in, all the seeds, all the stuff goes out. Why did I save this? I'm gonna put half of it in, because I'm not putting a lot of oil in, or not putting a lot of everything in. Half of it helps it blends it together. Ready? Here we go. And if it needs a little bit more liquid, we add it in. But it seems like it's coming together. Everything is chopping up. Are you ready to taste it? I'm ready. Here we go. Like usual, it's thick, it's beautiful. Ooh, it's got a little bit of spiciness. I only put half a jalapeno. So if you're brave, go for the whole thing. I'm gonna do it. Wow, I love it. It's got the sweetness to it, and it's got the spiciness to it. Let's serve it out. You put the hummus down. As always, you spread it out. If you want to, add a little bit extra pecans to it. If you want to, drizzle it with olive oil. We're trying to keep it healthy here. We're trying to keep it good. This is something that I would definitely serve. You got your naan, gently toast it. Here we go. Dude, that's delicious. I love the extra spice. I'm glad I didn't add the extra jalapeno in it, as my daughter would think it was too spicy. I would add all of it, plus a little bit more. But, there you go. Candied pecans with jalapeno pepper hummus. Think differently, be different. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, and I'll see you soon. This is Gene at GeekyAsianDad. Follow me on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you.